Imagine a world draped in white, where glaciers marched across continents, and temperatures plummeted to bone-chilling lows. This wasn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but our planet during the last ice age. These periods of intense cold, known as glacial periods, were defined by vast ice sheets covering large parts of the Earth. The most recent ice age peaked around 20,000 years ago. Giant creatures like woolly mammoths and saber-toothed cats roamed the frozen landscapes. These magnificent beasts were well suited to the harsh conditions, a testament to nature's incredible adaptability. But the Ice Age wasn't just about the cold and the creatures that lived through it. It was a time of dramatic change and evolution. The Earth's climate oscillated between colder and warmer periods, causing glaciers to advance and retreat. This constant flux shaped the geography of our planet, carving out valleys, forming lakes, and altering the course of rivers. The evidence of these changes can still be seen today in the form of glacial landforms and deposits. But what about us? Humans, seemingly fragile compared to these Ice Age titans, not only survived but thrived. How did our ancestors manage to endure such extreme conditions? Could we, with all our modern technology and knowledge, do the same today? The answers lie in the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit, coupled with the remarkable advancements we've made in understanding our planet and ourselves. Our ancestors developed tools and clothing to protect themselves from the cold. They learned to hunt the massive beasts that roamed the ice-covered lands, using every part of the animal for food, clothing, and shelter. They built fires to keep warm and created communities to support one another. These early humans were not just surviving, they were innovating and adapting in ways that would lay the foundation for future civilizations. Today we face different challenges, but the spirit of innovation and adaptability remains. As we look back at the Ice Age, we are reminded of the incredible journey of human survival and progress. It is a testament to our ability to overcome adversity and thrive in even the harshest of environments. The story of the Ice Age is not just a tale of cold and ice, it is a story of resilience, ingenuity, and the unbreakable human spirit. Our ancestors were incredibly resourceful. They lived in a world that was both beautiful and harsh, a world that demanded constant adaptation and ingenuity. Despite lacking the advanced technology we have today, they thrived by developing a profound understanding of their environment. They observed the patterns of nature, learning which plants were edible and which were poisonous, understanding the behavior of animals, and predicting the weather by reading the signs around them. This deep connection with their surroundings was their greatest tool for survival. Caves provided shelter from the biting wind and snow. These natural formations were not just homes, but sanctuaries where they could find safety and warmth during the harshest conditions. Fire, a discovery as profound as any technology, brought warmth and a means to cook food. It also provided light in the darkness and protection from predators. The mastery of fire was a turning point in human evolution. Clothing, crafted from animal hides, provided insulation against the cold. These garments were meticulously made, offering not just warmth but also a form of protection and even social status within their communities. Their diets were dictated by the land. They foraged for berries, nuts, and roots, understanding the seasonal availability of different foods and the nutritional value they provided. Hunting large Ice Age animals like mammoths provided sustenance for entire communities. These hunts required cooperation, strategy, and bravery, showcasing their ability to work together for the common good. Gathering edible plants supplemented their meals. This practice not only provided necessary nutrients but also ensured a more balanced diet, crucial for their survival. They were not just survivors, they were innovators. Their creativity and problem-solving skills led to the development of tools and techniques that would lay the foundation for future advancements. Tools made from stone, bone, and wood allowed them to hunt, build, and create. These tools were essential for their daily tasks and demonstrated their ability to manipulate their environment to meet their needs. Their ingenuity is evident in the cave paintings that still captivate us today. These artworks are not just historical records but also expressions of their thoughts, beliefs, and experiences, offering us a glimpse into their world. We are not facing the unknown like our ancestors. Scientists have studied past ice ages, analyzing ice cores extracted from glaciers and ice sheets. These cores are like time capsules, revealing Earth's ancient climate history. We understand the forces that drive these glacial cycles, variations in Earth's orbit, changes in solar radiation, and volcanic activity. This knowledge allows us to model future climate scenarios, including the possibility of a new ice age. This research isn't just about looking back, it's about looking ahead. By understanding past climate change, we can better prepare for the challenges of a changing future. Climate change and the ice age equation. In this section, we delve into the intricate relationship between human activities, climate change, and the natural cycles of our planet. Ironically, the same human activities that have warmed our planet might be delaying the next ice age. The Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of significant human impact on the Earth's climate. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and large-scale industrial activities have drastically altered the composition of our atmosphere. These activities release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, that trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to a warming effect known as the greenhouse effect. This warming effect could disrupt the natural cycles that lead to glacial periods. Historically, the Earth has experienced cycles of warming and cooling, known as glacial and interglacial periods. However, it's important to remember that climate change is a complex phenomenon. It involves a multitude of factors, including solar radiation, volcanic activity, and ocean currents, all interacting in intricate ways. While we might delay an ice age, we're also creating new challenges. The rapid changes in climate are leading to severe consequences for ecosystems and human societies. The melting of glaciers and ice sheets, a direct consequence of global warming, contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities worldwide. This not only affects human settlements, but also disrupts marine and coastal ecosystems. The frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and floods, are also increasing. These events can have devastating impacts on agriculture, water resources, and infrastructure. Heat waves are becoming more common and severe, posing health risks to vulnerable populations. Wildfires, fueled by dry conditions and high temperatures, are more frequent and destructive. The changing climate is a global challenge that requires urgent and coordinated action to mitigate its impacts and adapt to its inevitable changes. Section 6. Food and farming. The ultimate test of ingenuity. Feeding billions of people in a colder world would be a monumental challenge. Shorter growing seasons and harsher conditions would impact traditional farming practices. However, we're not helpless. Hydroponics and vertical farming, techniques that allow us to grow food indoors without soil, could become essential. Genetic engineering could help develop crops resistant to cold and drought. Innovation would be key to ensuring food security in a changing climate. We would need to explore new ways to produce, store, and distribute food efficiently. Shelter and warmth. Braving the frozen bite. Staying warm and sheltered would be paramount in an ice age. Energy-efficient homes designed for extreme cold would be essential. Geothermal heating, which harnesses the Earth's internal heat, could provide a sustainable solution. Cities might need to be redesigned. Underground structures, naturally insulated by the Earth, could offer protection from the elements. Transportation systems would need to adapt to icy conditions. The human spirit. Adaptability as our greatest strength. Our ancestors survived ice ages without the benefit of modern technology. Their success was a testament to the adaptability of the human spirit, our ability to learn, innovate, and overcome challenges. This same spirit of resilience will be crucial in facing the challenges of a changing climate, whether it's a future ice age or the consequences of global warming. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the capacity to adapt. The question of whether we could survive another ice age is not simply about our technological prowess. It's about our willingness to acknowledge the challenges, to work together, and to make the necessary changes to protect our planet and ourselves. The future may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: our capacity for innovation and our indomitable spirit will be our greatest assets in navigating the challenges that lie ahead. The ice may be thin, but the human spirit is strong. Please subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.